Hello there, health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving deep into a topic that's been making waves in the world of nutrition: gluten-free diets. Are they the ultimate choice for a healthier lifestyle, or is there more to the story? Let's embark on a journey of discovery and uncover the truth. Segment 1. Understanding the gluten-free phenomenon. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's get on the same page. A gluten-free diet involves cutting out gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. Many people opt for this diet due to medical reasons such as celiac disease or non-celiac gluten sensitivity. Segment 2. Debunking the weight loss myth. One of the most common misconceptions surrounding gluten-free diets is their supposed link to weight loss. While initially, some individuals might shed a few pounds, it's important to note that this doesn't equate to a guaranteed weight loss strategy. In fact, a lot of gluten-free products on the market are packed with added sugars and unhealthy fats. Segment 3. Nutritional pitfalls of going gluten-free. Let's talk about nutrition. Gluten-containing foods often come with a package of essential nutrients. Whole wheat, for example, is a fantastic source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. By eliminating these foods without proper substitutes, you might inadvertently create nutritional gaps in your diet. Segment 4. Not all gluten-free foods are created equal. Hold the applause for gluten-free substitutes. Many of these products replace traditional wheat with refined flours, which can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Additionally, to make up for taste, they might have higher levels of sodium and not so healthy additives. Segment 5. The cross-contamination conundrum. For those grappling with celiac disease, avoiding even the tiniest trace of gluten is an absolute must. Cross-contamination can sneakily occur during food preparation, making dining out a game of risk. Maintaining a watchful eye on safe food handling is paramount. Segment 6. Embracing the power of whole foods. The real nutritional hero? Whole, unprocessed foods. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains offer a plethora of nutrients that support your overall well-being. The secret sauce to a balanced diet is incorporating these goodies, not chasing fad trends. Segment 7. Personalization, the true key. Let's drive home the message. Personalization is the true path to dietary success. We're all unique, and our bodies have varying needs. Seeking guidance from a registered dietitian can be a game changer, helping you craft a diet that aligns with your individual requirements. Segment 8. Wrapping up and parting thoughts. And there you have it, the truth about gluten-free diets. While they're undoubtedly crucial for those with specific medical conditions, they might not be the magic bullet for everyone's wellness journey. Remember, prioritizing a diverse, balanced diet and tuning into your body's cues should always be at the forefront. Conclusion. A heartfelt thank you for embarking on this eye-opening ride with us. If this video struck a chord with you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more illuminating content, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Knowledge is power, and your informed choices matter. Until our next exploration, stay curious, stay healthy,